Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. It's about the number one extension in VS Code that I usually use. So are you a web developer? If you are, you should definitely use this extension if you have not. Let's go to my screen. Okay, as you guys could see on my screen, I have an extension on my screen called Auto Rename Tag. And what this does is that whenever you rename your HTML tag, your ending HTML tag automatically changes as well. Let's go to one of my HTML file. Okay, let's go to this HTML file. As you can see, I have so many HTML elements, right? And let's say I want to change one of the elements. Let's say this div element right here. Okay, let's say I want to change this to an A tag. I'm not sure what will change a div tag to an A tag, but let's give it a go. So as you can see, when I press the backspace, the ending tag automatically removes them as well. Let's want to put an A tag, and it also automatically renamed the ending tag as well. Hey guys, so this is very convenient for us web developers because sometimes we have to spend a whole lot of time trying to find a specific element to rename, especially finding the ending tag, which is the most tedious part. So hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. If you want more of this type of video, just comment down below.